Howdy everybody, time for a rut buster kind of lick. If you ever get kind of caught up just playing the same licks over and over, sometimes it's time to break out with something fresh. And this lick today is all based on D minor pentatonic, but it's going to sound very unpentatonic. So I'm assuming you already know the D minor pentatonic scale. If not, go and find some other videos on it. So the notes, of course, are D, F, G, A, and C. And what we're doing is moving this around with some cool little shapes using hybrid picking. And let's take a look at the right hand and everything. Okay, here's the right hand pattern. Okay, hybrid pick the first string with your ring finger. Pick the third string with your pick. Hybrid pick the second string with your middle finger. And then pick the third string again with your pick. So it's just 4 motions. Hybrid, pick, hybrid, pick. So that's ring, pick, middle, pick. And you probably noticed my left hand, I'm lifting each finger off just a little bit. What you don't want to have is this. That might be cool for something else, but not for this, what we're trying to do. So make sure that after you pick a note, as soon as you go to the next note, you lift that finger off of the string just barely. Or just keep it on and stop pushing down. Might even be better. Just find what works for you. So that is how the right hand works on it. Okay, now it's time to start moving that shape around and having some fun with it. Okay, so here's the first one we just did. Okay, move it 3 frets to your right. So we got this. Okay, go 2 more frets to your right. Okay, so we left off with our index finger on the 7th fret. The next shape is the one that's just a little different. It's easy though. So your index will go on the 3rd string, 10th fret. Your pinky will go on the 1st string, 13th fret. So let's start with that. So 13th fret on the 1st string, and then 3rd string, 10th fret. And here's the part that's different. Instead of your middle finger going to the 11th fret, it needs to go backwards to the 10th fret one. So we got this. So you do run into the little problem of 2 notes in the 10th fret, and you want to make sure that they're each getting separate attention. So here it is slowly, that little part. Okay, and so let's start moving the shape around with what we've got up to now. Okay, then we move up 2 more frets, and we're at the 12th fret and the 15th fret, with the 13th fret as the middle one. And then you just go 2 frets to your right, and you're back at the beginning, just up an octave. You can go 3 frets to your right again, just like you did on the second one way back. And then 1 more, which is 2 frets higher. So here's our whole, everything we've got. I'll just do each one, I don't know, twice.